Well, good day, everybody. Got a new accessory to share. Got these really nice Pannier bags. Not sure if I'm saying that right. Also known as cargo rack bags, or rack bag. Really nice quality. It's really tough. It's got rubber lining on the inside. It's waterproof. Got some real nice straps to hold everything shut. A nice thick, heavy-duty carry handle there. This handle acts as a quick release. We'll demonstrate that for you here in just a second. But you pull up on the handle that lifts the hooks. It's got a really cool design, really durable, feels heavy duty. Put links for the bag and the bike down below. But yeah, I really like this bag. It feels really well done. I'm pretty impressed with the quality on this. Alright, these bags have a little hook on the back. You can adjust that to right where you need it to grab onto the frame here. Tighten that up. That clips on nice and secure. Also comes with a shoulder strap, it looks like. A couple of loops right there to connect it. Clips to hold the flap down, adjustable. Then to take it off, you just grab this handle. Pretty neat if you ask me. Hiboy e-bike rack bag. Check it out, links below. Pretty neat. Alright, Hiboy bike Pannier bag. A Pannier bag for your e-bike. Rack bag, bike bag. Pretty nice bag. "100% waterproof, made from durable polyester fabric. Built to last, versatile carrying options. Room for everything you need, with a maximum carry capacity of 20 liters. 5.12 inches by 11.81 inches by 19.69 inches tall. Very handy bag. Glad to have them on my e-bike. We'll definitely see more of this in the future when I go to pick up parts. Running around in town. I'm going to do a a bit of driving with it in the future when the weather gets nicer. And when I get back out on the road, be sure to stay tuned. Probably pick up a couple sandwiches. Been craving some Subway lately. It looks like a perfect bag for carrying a couple sandwiches. Links below. Check them out. Thank you for watching.